Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to change password on NerdWallet. To change your password on NerdWallet, the first thing to do is to open a web browser and log into your nerdwallet.com account. Simply type in nerdwallet.com in the URL box and press enter to end up in the homepage of NerdWallet. Also, make sure that you are logged into your NerdWallet account like you normally do. After you are signed in, go to the upper right corner and click on the Nerd. Go to the upper right corner and mouse over to the My NerdWallet option. Under Account, click on Password. Soon after you open up the Password option, it'll take you to the Security tab under Settings. Enter your one-time passcode that you may receive via SMS or open up your Authenticator app and enter the one-time passcode for your NerdWallet account. Soon after you do that, you will be able to get to the next page where you can enter your current password first and type in the new password you would like to change to on the next field. Finally, click Change Password, and that will be able to help you change your password on NerdWallet. That is how you can easily do it. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.